Welcome to this tutorial on managing SNMP on data domain systems. Log into the DD System Manager, then navigate to Administration and Settings, then to the SNMP tab. Here you can enable and disable SNMP and download the Management Information Base, or short MIB. To configure the properties, click Configure. The configuration dialog box will appear. In the text fields, specify the following information: system location, a description of where the protection system is located. For HA pairs, this value can also indicate whether the system is node 0 or node 1. System contact, the email address of the system administrator. System nodes. These are optional configuration information for the SNMP. Engine ID, a unique identifier for the SNMP entity. Ensure it is 34 hexadecimal characters for SNMP v3 only. For HA pairs, the engine ID can only be changed from the active node and is the same for all nodes. Note: the system will display an error if the SNMP engine ID does not meet the length requirements or uses invalid characters. Click OK to save the configuration. Click Create or Modify in the v3 configuration section to create a new user or modify the selected user. The menu on creating and modifying is similar. You cannot modify the username. Click Create, specify a name for the new user, set the access level to read-only or read-write. Select Authentication to authenticate the user. Here you can choose between MD5 SHA1 or SHA256 protocol. Enter the authentication key in the key text field. Do not start the key with the leading hashtag character. To provide encryption to the authentication session, select Privacy. Select either the AES or DES protocol. Enter the encryption key in the key text field. Do not start the key with the leading hashtag character. Click OK. The newly added user account appears in the SNMP users table. Trap host definitions enable protection systems to send alert messages in SNMP trap messages to an SNMP management station. Creating v3 trap host definitions identify remote hosts that receive trap messages from the system. Click Create or Modify to create a new trap host or modify the selected one. Same as for the user, the creation and modify menus are similar. Specify a host, the port, and select the user or create a new one for the trap host. Then select OK to save the configuration. To remove a user or trap host, select it and click Delete. Keep in mind, if the selected user is also selected for a trap host, you need to delete the trap host first. For more information on SNMP management for Dell data domain, refer to the Dell Knowledge Base article 204034. Thank you for watching.